So welcome back. So let us start worksheet 5, question number 1. Question number 1 is fill the following blanks. Distributive property में what I have told you, the number which is sitting outside the bracket, it will be multiplied one by one to the numbers which are sitting inside the bracket. Okay. So when I will solve first part, 52 will be multiplied first with 63. So what will come over here? 63, and second time it will be multiplied with 37, but over here 37 is already written. So what will come over here? 52. You have to just find out the missing number. Fine. Now come to the second question, 297. Now over here the number outside the bracket is 297. Inside the bracket there should be two numbers, but over here only one number is given, that is 43. You have to see that what will come over here. अब distributive property जब आप solve करते हैं, use करते हैं, then a number which is outside the bracket it will be first multiplied with the first number, और यहाँ पर आपका first answer आ जाता है. So 297 मतलब first it will be multiplied with 88. So what will come over here? 88. Fine. And 297 multiplied with the second number, so it will be 297 multiplied by 43. So what will come over here? 43. Now in third part, both the numbers they are given inside the bracket, 84 plus 16, and outside what is the number that is missing. So let us see. First will be the combination of outside number multiplied with the first number inside the bracket. Second will be 36 into multiplied by the second number. So what is the number which is outside? It is 36. So 36 will come over here. Now 36 multiplied by 84, 36 into 84 plus 36 multiplied by 16. So it will be 36 into 16. So question number 1 first part, second part, and this is the third part. Fine. Now D and E part करने से पहले let us take another example which is something different. 172 multiplied by 97. How you are going to solve it? Now over here in these three parts we have already distributed this number into two numbers. लेकिन यहाँ पर सिंपली आपके पास 172 इंटू 97 गिवन है. दैट मीन्स आइदर 172 और 97 इट हैज़ टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सो दैट वी कैन यूज़ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज़ यूज्ड टू सॉल्व द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द लार्ज नंबर्स. सो वी हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एनी वन नंबर. तो हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखने के लिए, किसी भी नंबर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि जब हम उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इट शुड कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 100, 1000, 10,000. बिकॉज हमें पता है कि किसी भी नंबर को अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मतलब 10, 100, 1000 इस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई करना ईजी होता है. सो 97, 172 कैन बी रिटन एज 100 प्लस 72. ओके. और 97 कैन बी रिटन एज 100 minus 3. So we can distribute 172 as it is, multiply by, how can you write 97? 100 minus 3. मैंने आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी बताई, उसमें मैंने आपको बोथ प्लस एंड माइनस साइन के बारे में बताया. जहाँ जहाँ यहाँ पर प्लस साइन है वहाँ पर उसके में क्या लग जाता है? माइनस, इफ़ इट इज़ गिवन माइनस बिटवीन द टू नंबर्स. सो वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द 97 इंटू 100 minus 3. Now can we solve it? We can solve it like 172 into 100. What will be the next sign? Minus, and it will be, then 172 will be multiplied with second number is into 3. Fine. So when you are going to solve it, अब यहाँ पर multiplication करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. You already know it. It will be 17,200, and over here just perform the multiplication and you will be getting 516. and when you will going to minus it, subtract it, you will get the answer. Fine. So whenever this kind of multiplication will come, you have to distribute, and he's saying in the question that you have to use the distributive property. Any one number you have to distribute in terms of 100, fine, or 1000. So we will solve that part also in the questions. So let us see D and E part. So your D part is 218 into 94. Fine. Now see 94. Can you write this in terms of 100? Yes, of course we can write 218 into 100 minus 6. 100 minus 6 is equal to 94. Now distribute it. 218. So it will be equal to 218 multiplied with the first number is 100 minus, now next sign will be minus 218 into 6. So in your book you can fill, हमने पूरा क्वेश्चन ये कर लिया, सॉल्व कर लिया. In your book you can write your answer as 100. Fine. Now E part, 778 into 994. Now just think, how can you write 994? It is closer to 1000. So can you distribute it? Can you split this number? Can you break this number or write it in any other form? Yes, of course we can write it as 778 as it is. It can be written as 1000 minus 6. Now multiply. So it will be okay, but in our book the question is somewhat different. It is written in the form of minus 5 minus 1. So why I am writing over here? We know that 994 can be written as 6. 1000 minus 6. Now 778 into 1000 as it is minus. How can you write minus 6? Minus 5 minus 1, that is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 can be written as minus 5 minus 1. Later on I will tell you why I am doing this. Otherwise यहाँ से भी आपका आंसर ठीक है. But in your book the question is given in the form of minus 5 into minus 1. So it can be written as minus 5 minus 1. So now multiply one by one. 778, first number is 1000, minus sign. Next, now 778, second number is 5. Now again minus 778 and third number is minus or into 1. So when you see this question in your book, it is given in 3 parts. So we have divided our number in 3 parts. Clear? Distributive property. This was the fourth solution. 94 can be written as 100 minus 6. 94 is closer to 100. So 100 minus 6. Distributive property use की. The number which is outside the bracket, that will be multiplied to both the numbers one by one, and over here it is minus. So over here it is again, it will be minus. In third or last part, it is 994 is closer to 1000. So it can be written as 1000 minus 6. Okay. But in your book, the question is given in these 3 parts. So again we have to think. In first part, he is written as 778 into 1000. In last part, he has not given to you 1. He has simply written as 778. So we can write it over here 1. That means 1000 is here, 1 is here. So what should come over here? Obviously it is 5. That I have told you. How is it? Okay. So this was your complete question number 1. Now we will start question number 2. So question number 2 is rearrange the numbers, then multiply. Now rearrange the number means you have to see for such a combination such that उन दो जिन नंबर्स को आपने कंबाइन किया दे शुड कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 10, 100, 10,000 बिकॉज मैंने आपको पहले बताया ऐसे नंबर्स के साथ जब भी आप किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो आपकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन ईजी बन जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग ओवर यर 4 इंटू 100. आपको सिंपली पता है योर आंसर विल बी 400. इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग 1000 इंटू और 6 योर आंसर विल बी सिंपली 6000. नो नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो यहाँ पर ऐसे कौन से दो नंबर ऐसे हैं जिनको हम आपस में कंबाइन कर दें सो दैट आर number will become in terms of 1000, 100 और 10,000. So 125 का टेबल है. 125 8s are, let us multiply. What will come? 125 into 8, it is 1000. Very good. हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन तो बहुत अच्छा आ गया. 125 multiplied by 8 is 1000. So can we combine it? So हमने क्या किया 125 into 8 inside the bracket, outside the bracket is 488. So 125 into 8 is 1000. So write it as 1000 into 488. अब 488 से 1000 को मल्टीप्लाई करना इट्स वेरी इजी. सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 488 and 3 zeros. That is, it is 4,88,000. This is your answer. Fine. Rearrange the numbers, then multiply 125 into 488 into 8. हमने किन्हीं दो नंबर्स को ऐसा लेना है जिनके मल्टीप्लिकेशन पर, जिनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करने पर वी गेट द 100, 10, 1000, 10,000 समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके. आप दो नंबर्स को कर सकते हैं कंबाइन. ये तो थी बात जब आपके पास ओनली 3 नंबर्स आर गिवन. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द second question, second part. So it is second part, 625 into 25 into 20 into 4. So in this question let us find out ऐसे कौन से नंबर्स हैं जिनका कॉम्बिनेशन से हमारे पास 10, 100, 1000 ऐसा कुछ बन जाता है. So that will be equal to 25 and 4. So it is 625 into 20. मैंने एक साथ लिख दिए. And 25 into 4. So 625 into 20. 25 into 4 is 100. Now 625 into 20 into 100 will be simple 2000. Now over here 2000 you have to multiply it with 625. So in your answer there will be 3 zeros. Simply multiply 625 by 2. So 625 multiplied by 2 will be, so it is, so this is your answer 12,50,000. Fine. Is it clear? 4 नंबर्स थे, कोई बात नहीं. हमने फिर से वैसे नंबर्स के कॉम्बिनेशन को ढूंढा जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन आइदर कम 100, 10,000 और 10. सो यहाँ पर हमें पता है 25 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 100. 100 इंटू 20 इज 2000 एंड 2000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 625 विल बी इक्वल टू 12,50,000. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. फाइन. Now next question I am going to solve, and rest of the 3 parts that will be your homework. Let us try to solve them. Third part is your homework. Let us take D part 20, or let us take E part. E part is 8 into 25 into 125 into 40. Fine. Now